What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the SIM pin on your iPhone and remove the SIM lock. If your iPhone is asking for a SIM pin every time you restart your device or insert a new SIM card, it means the SIM lock is enabled. You can disable it easily by following these steps. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the cellular or mobile service depending on your region. Next, select your number to open your cellular plan settings and you will see an option called SIM pin at the bottom. Tap on it. Here, you can toggle off the SIM pin setting. If prompted, enter your current SIM pin to confirm the change and your SIM lock will be disabled. If you don't remember your SIM pin, don't worry. Try searching for the default SIM pin of your carrier. Open up Safari or any web browser and search for your carrier default SIM pin. If you haven't changed your SIM pin before, this default code should work. Enter it, tap Done, and you should now be able to turn off the SIM pin setting. However, if you had previously set a custom pin and can't remember it, your SIM will get locked if you use all 3 attempts available. At this point, the only way to unlock or disable the SIM pin is by using a PUC or personalized unlocking key, which you can get from your carrier. If you don't have access to the PUC code or can't retrieve it, the only solution is to remove the SIM card and insert a new one. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.